Hi, in this video we will see how to clear the Python console uh, from your Windows computer. I'm using Windows computer and I'm using the PowerShell, but you can use like command prompt to see or to do the same things on your Windows computer. So let's do one thing. Let's uh, go to the Python shell by typing Python and then hit enter key, and you will be in Python mode, and there will be three arrow like uh, three arrow over there, and then that means you are in Python mode. So here actually we can type many things. So in this way this shell editor is like dirty, right? So to clean this thing we can generally for Windows or computer we type generally cls or something or clear something like that we do it, right? And then clean in the skin. But for this case for Python shell console we cannot do that. So at that for this case we need to use on OS package, and also we need to use uh, on method to clear the skin. So let's import the package. The package name is OS package. So at first we have to import the package by typing the import OS. So it will import the OS package or module. After importing the package we have to type OS dot and then the method name is system, and inside the system we have to type the clear skin command. So that is cls, and after writing this if we hit enter key it will clear the whole thing. So in this way we can clear. But the problem is every time we have to write this whole thing like os.system and then cls, and sometimes it's time consuming, and moreover sometimes we do some typing mistake. So the better solution is that we can create a function. So we can use lambda, then colon, then the method name, and the whole thing we can define inside a variable like thing clear. Suppose we put clear, but you can use any other name also. Okay, so I am just put clear so that it will clear. I can easily remember that thing and hit enter key, and then we are done. Now type something and then let's try the thing. So clear, this one is basically a method, right? So we have to type the clear, then as this method or function, so we have to use this parenthesis, and then we have to hit enter key. Now everything will be clear. So in this way actually we can clear the whole skin. And if you want to watch if you want to know how to clear the terminal, that means in macOS how to clear the Python shell interpreter, you can also check the video description below. I have another video which actually explains how to clear the terminal window from any Unix operating system. Thank you for watching the video.